Hi everybody, this is Arash and we are solving HackerRank Python preparation challenges. So let's go to the next one. The next one is string validators. It is categorized as easy. It is very simple. We are going to check 5 things. First of all, a string is given to us and we put it in the variable s. Then we are going to check if any alphanumeric character exists in S or not. And alphanumeric character is A to Z in small caps, A to Z in capital big letters, and 0 to 9. Then we are going to repeat the same with alphabetical checking, digit checking, lowercase checking, and uppercase checking. And all the functions are introduced to us in the left side. Alright, let's write it. It's very simple. First of all, I'm going to define a variable called status. Our status initially is equal to false. Then I'm going to loop through S with F4. So for ch as a character, for ch in S, we are going to check if ch dot, we are going to use the exact function introduced here. If ch dot is alnum is true, we are going to make the status equal to true, and we break the loop so we can save energy and time from our CPU, and at the end we simply print the status. Alright, it is very simple. Then we are going to continue this 4 more times, this time with isAlpha function. We copy it and paste it here. Again we copy this. One more time, paste here, and it should be we need one more time. Alright, that's it. We check is alnum, we check is alpha, we check we should check is digit, we should check is lower, and finally we should check is upper. Alright, everything looks fine, but I might is alnum, is alpha, is digit, is I miscopied one of them. The upper should be this, and this one should be is lower. This is the order that challenge needs us. Alright, everything looks fine. Let's submit the code. I put the link of this page and a link to my code in the description of the video, and if you solved it in other ways, I will be glad to see your solutions. You can simply write down your codes in the comments section. Alright, it checked with multiple test cases and all of them are correct. Alright guys, this was Arash. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time.